Toe ek afsak deur die kartjie beglip en swembad bodem toe sak, maar toe my voetjies bodem vat. Skiet daar springs my op, de koppel water dit het venom verander, my tjoep op een ander plek weg. Waar was my ma? Waar was my Boeta? Waar was my ma? Waar was my Boeta? Waar was my tjoepa? Is dit weer? Die pot om my nek en my sprinkies spring weer vir nog 'n asma, asem terug op watervlak, net om weer af te sak na rock bottom bodem vir 'n oomblik, 'n ewigheid. Oh, waar was my ma? Waar was my Boeta? Waar was my ma? Waar was my Boeta? Waar is my tjoepie? My laaste springs was net so, net so, net so, net so tidal in die middle, but out of nowhere I was grabbed, I was rescued. I just remember the two curly's hair was covered with sin caps. I was placed back in my tube. I grabbed my tube and left the pool. From there, my utterly attraction towards women, part of me lately, it's only towards my wifey. Her love for me is tubeless, en sy hou my kop op water.